Three bulbs, 30 watts, 40 watts and 50 watts, are connected in series with a 120 volt supply. Each of the bulbs is rated as 120 volts. The voltage rating is 120 volts. So we have to find how much power each of the bulb is absorbing. So they are connected in series, and the rated power is 30 watt and the voltage across is 120. So we can find the resistance as P. We know P is equal to V square over R. So R will be V square over P. So V square is 120. So if I find the resistance of 30 watt bulb, that will be 30 times 120. So 120 square over 30, which is 480 ohms. Similarly, the resistance for 40 watt will be 120 square over 40, which is 360 ohms. And then resistance for 50 will be 120 square over 50, that will be 288 ohms. So these are the respective resistances of the three bulbs. And now we can find the current that's going through the bulbs. So the current I, they are connected in series, so the same current actually. So I will be 120 over 480 plus 360 plus 288, and this one is approximately 0.1064 amps. So that is the current that's flowing through each of the bulbs. Now we can see the power that each of, let's say this bulb, the power that it's absorbing will be I square R, and that will be 0.1064 there square times 480, and that is 5.43 watt. So we can see that it's absorbing much less power than its rated power, and it's happening because all these bulbs are connected in series. We'll see for the other ones, the 40 watt one will be 1064 square times 360. So this is 4.07 watt. This is even less. And for the final one, P50, that will be 0.1064 square times 288 watt ohms. So that's 3.26 watt. So we can see that each of the bulbs are absorbing much less power than the rated ones, and the 30 watt is the highest, and because it's related, it's proportional to the resistance. So since the current is the same, and the appropriate way of connecting bulbs would be in parallel. So then each of them would get the same voltage, like if these are the bulbs, so yeah, whatever. So that would be the appropriate way. Each of them are 120 voltage rating is 120 volts, and then each of them will have 120 volt across them. So they will have the full power, and they will illuminate to its maximum brightness. So that's the way to connect bulbs, not in series. And yeah, so it's just an example problem to highlight that fact as well.